Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yodi coming at you with another video. I hope you can hear me because I'm screaming over here. So today I am bringing you guys a mask before the kids goes to school. So I'm prepping their hair and I'll be doing their hair for over the weekend. So today I am prepping my aloe vera and avocado mask. And so we could do the same thing at home if your kids are going to school or they've already back to school. So I'm bringing this to you so you guys could do your mask and let's have fun together. Let's get into the video. I had already pre-cut my aloe vera and my avocado. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a blender, mix them together, and add every ingredient that I'm gonna tell you that will be on that super mask.
Next is honey.
Hello, honey. Organic honey, okay, organic. I'm gonna be using leche de coco, which is coconut milk. I'm not gonna put a lot, but I'm gonna put some because I need that, you know, all these great ingredients for my baby's hair, because not only this will serve as a mask, also it'll serve as a deep conditioner. Today I will be washing their hair before I actually putting the ingredient into their hair. So I'm gonna be having a little bit of jojoba oil.
Next is the jojoba oil.
I'm gonna have me some coconut oil, not a lot because I'm already gonna use the coconut milk. I'm having my avocado oil mixed. I'm gonna have my extra virgin olive oil. I am going to have me some Haitian black castor oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of vitamin E on there. And then even if you see this right here, I create this little serum when I was doing the butter. By the way, you guys, the butter will be official on my website as of September 1st. So I hope that you guys could go ahead and get it, grab it before everything gone, because I did 2 pre-launch and both of them has been sold out. Yes, I'm also adding 1 organic egg yolk, the yellow part. I'll be adding it also into the mixture. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the mask, okay?
Together, okay? First, I'm gonna add my avocado. I did take half of a big avocado. As you can see, guys, I showed you my avocado already. I put like half of the big one because these are huge. They're like really big and meaty. Then I'm putting my aloe vera. Some people juice it out, but it's not blend anyway, so there's no need for me to juice it out. I am adding 1 egg yolk in there. Yummy. I am not gonna put a whole lot, but just 1 quart of the measurement. Okay. So here, so I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay. Not a whole entire lot, but just enough. Okay, this is 1 quart. We'll do 2 tablespoons of avocado oil.
Top it off, okay, and start. I had already gotten my, the base that I'm gonna be putting. This is one of my friends had made it for me. It says K-Pro and it has like my face into it. I love it, you guys, and if you guys want something like this, just contact me. I'll give you the information for the designer and the person that makes them. All right, ooh, look at that, you guys. This is it. I'm not sure if you can see it. it looks as if look, it's kind of like pasty, but at the same time, like, it's not slimy. Okay, it's pasty and it has a very, like, a good thick consistency. So yeah. Okay guys, let's get into washing the hair. I am going to use the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Shine by Shea Moisture. I am going to shampoo her hair, then I'll add on the mask, leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, condition her hair with the same hibiscus, coconut and hibiscus curl shine conditioner, and then I'll just rinse out her hair and ready to part her hair out. I will be showing you guys two things, a before and after picture on how her hair was and how after I do the deep conditioner with the result of how soft and even though this deep conditioner, this mask will be washed off her hair, it will still be working on the length of her hair. Okay, so this is very great for you see, I'm trying to hide her and she's still trying to sew sometimes. So stay tuned and pay attention and watch and see everything that I'm gonna be doing in their hair, and it's gonna be her hair and her sister's hair. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mask right now into her hair. So yeah, so basically this is her after 2 shampoo. I make sure I give her like 2 good cleansing shampoo. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mask into her hair. As you can see, even without the conditioner, this shampoo is so good that, you know, she already not giving me the look that she was giving me a while ago. So all right, so let's get started.
washing my hair.
That's after the...
That's after when you leave it kind of over 45 minutes.
So what they leaving over 45 minutes? That's the math.
But anyways, not the bad gang people.